For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Mans, and this is my report for trade ideas for Friday, June 8. I had ideas I gave you yesterday. I wanted to start with that today. I look at keys. That was amazing today. So we were looking for that to the downside. We were looking at that for the downside yesterday. So I kept it on there. It didn't do it. And today, wow, it really did go. I hope you got that one. We were busy as I don't know what in our trading room this morning. We had tons of our opening gap trades that were hitting. Our XRV had 8 stocks on there, and so many of those went well. You got to listen to Adrian's broadcast, and we also had a lot of trades on our trading plan. So I didn't look to this first thing in the morning because usually these are extra trades for me if we don't have a lot going on that are trades of the day. Anyway, I hope some of you did. There's also opportunity in some of the other ones I gave you, so I encourage you to go ahead and look at those. Now let's look and see what ideas I have for tomorrow. I have a couple of continuation ideas. The first one is GOOS. This was on our trading plan for today. It actually hit our entry and our target, so it was great. Thank you very much. But I'm looking at the daily here and see that there is room to the downside. So if it continues to the downside, I'll have that on my list tomorrow. Again, I'm going to direct you to Adrian's broadcast to get the full story on Wayfair. It's a certain particular setup that he has that is a short setup. And I just want to say, wow, it was on the plan. It made its target too. We had a great day with that today in Wayfair. And I'm going to look to see if there isn't continuation to the downside tomorrow. The caveat is, after the close, I want you to check and make sure it's down in the bottom of its range to see if it doesn't want to head down to these consolidation levels over the next several days. You can also see these were highs from February's level, and I see that it might want to get back down to that level because this is where some folks were doing some trading. Finally, in more of a wild card, we had HOG Hog Harley Davidson on our plan for today, and it was a long. Now, many of our traders in the room caught this at this central pivot, or rather on the bounce off that central pivot, and rode it up to where our entry price would be. It's trading down here. It is now, let's see, just about 2 o'clock market time. So if it does climb higher, or sort of the middle of the range, I'll be looking to see on this sort of doji area here if it doesn't want to head higher. You can see it does have a lot of resistance here. So it actually might head lower. But anyway, I'm going to keep that on my plan and see how it's reacting to the day because we usually like the price action in HOG. All right, I hope you have a great trading day tomorrow, and email me if you have questions, Julie at Trader Insight.